I'm just a woman. Help me to be what I could be and what I could do. Show me the stairway I have to climb. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking of you. Give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be ours. So for her sake, teach her to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking of you. Give her the strength to do every day what she has to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be ours. So for her sake, teach her to take one day at a time.
Ja, dank u wel. Dank u wel. Ja, mooi. Hard work and dedication are truly appreciated.
Yes.